Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the Science Kitchen. Now today we're going to be recreating the goopy carbonara from the video game The Sims. Now this take on a carbonara is a creamy carbonara dish. We're going to avoid trying to burn down the kitchen in the process of making it, but it's worthwhile doing as it's bursting with the flavours of that Parmesan cheese and that crispy pancetta. So let's get right down to it. So we're going to start by frying off our pancetta. We have this sliced beautifully thin. Just bring this so it's sizzling, golden brown and beautifully crisp. Remove that from the heat. Now we have our pot of simmering salted water, and we'll just add our dried spaghetti. And this is going to take about 5 to 6 minutes, so it's very quick. So let's get moving with our sauce. Very classic, we have 2 egg yolks. To this, we're going to add some grated Parmesan cheese. Next, a tablespoon of corn flour. So corn flour as a thickening agent is going to give some real body to this carbonara sauce. Next, take your crisp pancetta out of the pan, and to that pan add some double cream. Get this back onto the heat to come to a simmer and fuse with that pancetta fat. So now our spaghetti is cooked and it has a beautiful al dente quality. Just take this to a side. We're going to take a few spoonfuls of that cooking liquid just to temper and let down our sauce. Cream back onto a simmer. Add your pancetta. Just going to pour this into our eggs, parmesan and corn flour mixture. Back on. To this we'll add some freshly chopped parsley, some cracked black pepper, and then throw in your drained spaghetti. Get this thoroughly coated with that beautifully thick, indulgent, cheesy sauce. And serve. Finish with some extra crispy pancetta, some more Parmesan cheese, freshly chopped parsley, and just an extra grind of that cracked black pepper. Sims goopy carbonara, done. Thanks for watching this video guys, I hope you enjoyed it. If you have, please make sure to like and share this video, and to really support the channel, make sure to hit subscribe and that bell notification. Then I'll see you next time.